Hi there, this is Dr. Sami Garas, and in this video, I'm going to go through the website of BrightSpace to show you how you find the course materials and how to navigate them to do your work on a weekly basis. The first section here, you see it's a start here, which will give you introduction about the course. Then the second one, my bio, then some information about the course, and then the course content, which will be updated every week with the new modules. So let's click on start here. And here you will see like the key objectives behind this course and my advice for you to take a look on strategies for successful online study. Take a look on my bio, check the course information and the course content. And then if you go to the next part, which is the here is a welcome message. I put it. And the video, I'm going to record it now. It will be located here under the welcome video. Then I encourage you to take a few minutes to introduce yourself to the classmate by telling us who you are, where you are from, what's your background, what's your career background, your social background, and what makes you interested in advanced accounting and something really unique about yourself. So I encourage you to make a brief bio so all of us, we get to know each other. Then once you finish, I encourage you to go ahead and take a look on the strategies for successful online study. I know these notes, you might have seen them in one of my previous classes, but I encourage you to take note of them because I found them with previous students that those strategies are very helpful to secure high grade in my class. And once you finish the first section, which is start here, you can take a look on my bio, which I also put it on the last page of the course syllabus about my qualification, how to reach out to me, what's my background in research, and my role in this course. And once you check my bio, you can go to the course information. And here I made a video about the course syllabus to explain the key sections in the syllabus and what are the expectations from you in doing the assignments, the quizzes, the exams, and the project. And here is a PDF copy of the course syllabus, which explains everything in detail, and also the textbook that you need to buy for the course and the websites for the course and so on. Also, the course syllabus will highlight the breakdown of the final grade and the passing grade in the course, which is 50%. And once you finish the course syllabus, please take a note on all these three sections I uploaded to show you that advanced accounting is taking a big chunk of CPA examination, CIA, and CMA. Those are the main three popular certifications in accounting, and all of them, they examine the advanced accounting with good number of questions. Why I say that? Because this can tell you that advanced accounting course is very important. I encourage you to take note during the class time and keep them in case you go for one of those examinations. The last one, which is the course content, and this is the section that will be updated every week with the new modules. Here, module 1, we talk about partnership, formation, and operation. And I usually put the beginning and the ending date so you get to know the due date for submitting the assignment and the quiz of that module. So first of all, I put an executive summary. And this executive summary, it's a Word document. I put it in a Word document trying to explain in detail what are the key points that we are going to address in this chapter. So when you check here, you will see that it talks about the business organization and how they are formed, the partnership accounting and the partnership income allocation, the accounting for partnership dissolution and withdrawal of partner. And those are the main sections that we will discuss in this chapter. But I try to give you here some details in the executive summary. And once you finish, I build up the reading material sections by putting some video and presentation. So here I made 2 videos for partnership formation and the admission of new partner, where I explain the technical work or the accounting transactions that will happen when a partnership starts and accept a new partner. I also uploaded here the textbook presentation, which you can find it on Connect as well. And those 3 items are required because reading that presentation and watching the video will help you to do the assignment and the quiz. But if you would like to know about the Partnership Act, which is a bit long document, I put it as optional for reading. Also, the revised Uniform Partnership Act and the Uniform Partnership Act critique. So those are additional documents that if you feel interested to know more about Partnership Act, you can go through them. And once you finish the reading and the videos, I put the assessment, and the assessment has 3 items. All of them exist on Connect. The first one, it's a smart book. And once you click here, I put the hyperlink that will take you to Connect. And then you go here, go to my Connect section. And in the course syllabus, I put the link for Connect that will help you to create your account and sign up for my course. Connect, they give you 3 weeks free access until you buy the textbook. And the first item I uploaded on Connect is some orientation for students. And this orientation will be available from today until December 22nd. I encourage you to watch those videos. And once you get ready, you go here for partnership. And then you will see 3 items. The first item, which we call it the smart book questions, those are direct questions that will assess your understanding about the topic. As you can see here, I put them optional and ungraded, which means you can do it 1 time or 100 times, whether you get 0 or you get the full mark. I'm not going to grade you for that, but I encourage you to do it because this will check your understanding and guide you in the area that you don't get it, so you can go through it again. Once you finish, you can go to the assignment, and in this assignment, I put 10 questions, and those 10 questions have 2 attempts with unlimited time, and you can see here the due date is September 2nd at 2 p.m. And once you finish, you go to the quiz, which has 20 multiple choice questions, and those have time limit of 1 hour. And the deadline to do the attempts is September 2nd. By the way, if you get the full mark in the assignment and the quiz from the first attempt, you don't have to do the second attempt. So the second attempt is optional, whether you would like to train yourself more or you would like to go for a higher score. And once you finish, you return to BrightSpace, and then you go back here. So here you can see the assignment, and here you can see the quiz. I'm going to activate both of them right now, but I show it to you on the Connect. And those are the main items that you need to do it this week. So you go through the assignment, then you go through the quiz, and if you would like to do the smart book, that's fine. If not, no problem. And once you finish, if you have any question or any thought that you would like to share with the class, you can go the class participation section, which I call it class participation forum. And let me show you here. Yeah. So here you see the executive summary, the reading, the assessment, the quiz, and finally here, I'm going to add up the new section for the class participation if you have any thought or if you would like to share anything with the class. So please make sure every week you check the module section or the course content, and you will see the new modules are uploaded along the way, and watch out for the deadline. If you have any question or if you would like to go for like Zoom meeting, please reach out to me. I would be more than happy to set a time that is convenient for you and we can go through your question. I hope you find this video useful and insightful to start working on advanced accounting content. Good luck. Take care.